Hey guys, hey family. So today I'm going to be reviewing some of my luxury purses that I have in my closet. And so I decided today to start with episode 1, and it is going to be my Saint Laurent purse. As you see, it's still in the box, has never been opened, so I'm going to unbox and review this as well as the wallet. So let's get into it. Comment down below if you think I should keep it or if I should gift it away to Goodwill. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. I'm going to remove the ribbon. And as you see, Saint Laurent. Let's open the box. And we are going to review it. I'm just going to drop this on the floor. No big deal. As you see, inside the box, nothing special. There's the bag. Saint Laurent on it. Inside the box, there is the Saint Laurent card. Again, I'm going to just drop the box on the floor. Inside the card, guys, it is the receipt, the copy, showing it was actually purchased. All right, so when we open the cloth bag, inside is my purse. All right, so I'm going to bring you guys up close, and we're going to get an up close look at it. So what do you think about the color? Comment down below if you like this color or if it's not doing it for you. All right, so here's an up close of the bag, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna show you the bottom. Has the cute little pieces to hold your bag. As you see, up close. Inside is the lock. Okay. All right, let's now look inside the purse. This is basically a mini, guys. I don't like carrying big purses, so it works for me. And as you see, there's a handle and another card. So we're going to take the handle out. This is so we can wear it as a crossbody if we choose. I don't normally like to wear my purses that way. And another Saint Laurent card. Okay, inside the purse, as you see, there is, if I can get the camera to focus, guys, inside the purse. It's just a bare, empty, nice carry purse. Okay, here's a side view. Here's the back of the purse. The other side. All right, and then the whole purse. So I'm going to show you guys how I would carry it with and without the strap. Okay guys, so I had so much background noise that I decided to go ahead and mute this section and do a voiceover. So here I am putting on the strap, and I do have nails. It was taking me a little bit of time to try to get it on, but I eventually got it. Okay guys, so I'm still working very hard to try to get the other latch on. I tell you, these nails would not let me be great. Yes, finally got it. Clap for me, guys. Woo! Woo! Going to go ahead and unbox and review the wallet that I got to go with the purse, because of course you have to have the matching set. Why not? All right, let's open the box. It also has its own little dust bag. All right, so get into it, guys. As you see, this wallet has this signature YSL. All right, let's get a close look and let's see what's inside the wallet. There's the front. There's the back. Let's open. All right, guys, you see the details, the stitching, beautiful. As you see, there we go. Saint Laurent's label. You can put a couple of cards in if you like. On the back, there's that one gold zipper. You can put your change inside, and then just standard place to put some of your cards. This is a quick, easy thing to take with you if you're going out quickly somewhere. Don't need a real purse, just need a little clutch you can hold in your hand. So what do you guys think? This doesn't completely match, but it goes as well. I've got it as a pair. So do you think we should keep it? Comment down below if you think it's a keeper or if you think it's something I should toss. Again, this was a quick review of the Saint Laurent luxury purse. All right, guys, until next time, keep it sweet. K.E. Household.